The many news, Mr. Gulzar Hussain, who has done his second master's from London Schools of Economics, Baharul Islam Beg Sahab, Chittoranjan Das Sahab, �𝐲 Patwari Sir, Honorable Principal of Markaz Academy, Mrs. Dilwara Begum Chaudhary, I understand that he has also left, Mr. Abdul Alim, Maulana Abdul Alim Chaudhary Sahab, Dr. Razi Ahmed Sahab, Dr. Alamgir Sahab. Indeed, a proud privilege for me to get an opportunity to speak for a few minutes. I understand that I'm here. Thank you very much. I am conscious about the fact that I am speaking to the student lot, the young talented bunch of our students in a school program, and it is written here that I am a practicing advocate of Guwahati High Court. I am only a student of law. I need to clarify my position first. In real sense, I am a student, and I am learning law before Guwahati High Court for a couple of years now. So I need to put my position first very clear. Honorable President Sir, I'd like to begin my small introduction for next 6 minutes with a quote from APJ Abdul Kalam. Sir once beautifully said, I was born in a very disadvantaged family, and I was born, I'm repeating my sentence, a disadvantaged child, not because I was born in a very disadvantaged family, but in a rural area. Yes, I had the advantage of being in the company of great teachers and mentors. Now, if you fit this formula in the present context, all I can say, this is a good school under the mentorship and leadership of our respected Professor Rashid Sir. This was in display when I was witnessing the beautiful Hindi, the sweetest language Urdu, Arabic, and the beautiful English presentation by the young budding students. Believe me, sir, not for the sake of adoration that I am making these schools the good schools, but I will prove, because I am a student of law, and I will try to prove that why I said this is a good school. In real sense, not because I am a student of law, I am a student, but recently I have done my Masters in Law from University of East London. So in that sense, I am only 1 year senior to the students, those who are studying in these schools. Do I consider as students? How many of us really studying in these schools considers me as a student? This is the $1 million question. Why we need to consider ourselves, even if we are attaining our maturity, that we are students? Professor Rashid Sir, the acronyms of the word student start with self-belief and study, study and study. So to become a good student, you need to start believing in your ability first, and then you have to study, study and study. I fell in this category, that I believe in my ability and I study, study and study. Second, T stand, acronym start with the second word called T. T means I try to talk sensible things. I try to talk to learn and get experience. And U stand for to understand, stand for unity and become united. The united force was in display when you have seen how beautifully they have presented their khilba and talent. D stand for demonstrate, determine, deliver and debate. This was in display. I personally can tell you, after traveling abroad, Indian abroad definitely, this is one of the beautiful presentations that I have witnessed. And the words, the presentations, the articulations was par excellence. Hats off to the teachers, guide and mentors, putting their best effort to see that that these talents are in display. They are enriched and they are self-encouraged. They are neat, they are fresh, and they are notable. They take tasks so easily. They are tolerated. They treasure their memories and they write. If we combine these acronyms together, we become students. And I am sure everyone present here, in spite of our career, positions, and designations, if we put this, and see their words to become successful. Now again, why so much focus on students? Why so much focus on demonstrations? Why so much focus on? Because the result of the student speaks for themselves. The result for students bring laurels for the college, for schools, the institutions they belong to. The moment they become successful, it's become the success story for the family, for the parents, for the teachers, for the state and the nation he belongs to. I am very hopeful after attending this program that days are not far. This Kordoba will become a real destination for the first grade student of this area. And after listening the beautiful presentations of Rahat Induri's voices here and the young talented debaters, Doboka is basically stand for Cordoba. I am sure everyone present here will contribute to the cause of development of education and will see that this will become a destination in the days to come.